Hello, Booster here. Today we'll be opening the Gift Pack 2018 edition. I don't know if they're going to be releasing a 2019 edition, but let's see what we get in. We get 5 promo cards. Premium promo cards. We get 4 packs of Core 19, which go out in 2 months. Then we got a 5 premium land cards. I think it's holographic lands. But let's get into it. Let's open this and hopefully get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment below what your favorite card is in this video. If you want to become a patron, the link is in the description. Alright. Also, if you want to sponsor the video, the link, just email me. First off, alright, we'll try and detach all this. Alright, first off, let's see. Try to get everything out of this. So much in this thing. Okay, so we got 4 packs of promos, dice, lands, I think, arena card, obviously. Okay, so go through the rares, get them sleeved. Alright, first off we have Vengeant Vampire, cost 6, creature vampire, lifelink. When it dies, destroy target creature and opponent controls, you gain 4 life. Very nice. Next up, we got Rampaging Brotodon, trample, cost 7. Whenever Rampaging Brotodon attacks, it gets +1% on the turn for each land you control. Next up we have Angelic Guardian for 6. Flying, whenever 1 or more creatures you control attack, gain indestructible until end of turn. Next up we got the Angular Turtle. 7 turtle. Hexproof creatures you opponent control attack each turn if able. And then the last promo we got Immortal Phoenix. Cost 6, creature Phoenix, flying. When Immortal Phoenix dies, return its owner's hand. Alright, let's look at the promo lands that need to be sleeved, because they're nice in promo. Holographic Forest, nice. Holographic Swamp, that looks actually cool. Ooh, Holographic Mountain, I'm gonna put this in my deck. And we got the Holographic Plains, and then the Holographic Island. Very nice, those need to be sleeved. Alright, now we got 5 promos here. Now let's go through pack number 1. Alright, now we got our 4 packs open. And the dice is trying to run away. Alright, let's go to the first pack. Mighty Leap, Omen Speaker, Goblin Investigator, Highland Game, Bone Stomper, Evan Pioneer, Vivian Pyromancer, Rabbit Bite, Sovereign Bite, Havoc Devils. Onto the uncommons. Ajani's Welcome. Recollect. Snaremore. And the rare is a Transforming Wand. It costs 3. Transforming Wand enters the battlefield with 3 charge counters on. Tap 1. Tap. Remove a charge counter from Transforming Wand. Destroy a target creature. Its controller creates a 2/4 Ox creature token and activate this ability only anytime you cast a sorcery. Very nice. And then we got a Dual Land and a Elf Warrior as the token. Very nice, very nice. Next up we have Divination, Goblin Investigator, Dwarven Priest, Duress, Plummet, Angel of Dawn, Avian Pioneer, Gearsmith Guardian, Havoc Devils, Invoke Divine, Psychic Corrosion, Plague Maw, Horizon Scholar, and the rare is a Magister's Scepter. Magister's Scepter costs 3. Tap 4 per charge counter on Magister's Scepter. Tap, remove 3 counters. Take an extra turn after this one. Very nice, very nice. And we got a Swamp as the land. And a Zombie as the token. Very, very nice. Next up we have Rejuvenation, Uncomfortable Chill, Catalyst Elemental, Rustwing Falcon, Epic Cure of Blood, Bristling Boar, Centaur Courser, Crash Through, Avian Windmage, Cavalier Drillmaster. We're on uncommons now. Ravenous Harpy, Infernal Hellion, Igma Drake, and the rare is a Dark Welder Oracle. Cost 2, tap 1, sacrifice creature, exile top card of your library. You may play that card this turn. Very, very nice. Then we got a Dual Land and a Soldier as the token. Very, very nice, very nice. Alright, last pack. Can we pull a Liliana or a Planeswalker in that last pack? We shall see. Let's see, we got Dwarven Priest, Cancel, Hostile Minotaur, Titanic Growth, Infectious Horror, Gearsmith Guardian, Havoc Devil, Invoke the Divine, Skeleton Archer, Throneside Wolves, Rogue Gloves, Reliquary Tower, Guardrail Sentinel, and the rare is legendary creature Gore Claw, Terror of Quel'Sema. Cost 4. Creature spells you cast with power 4 or less, 4 or greater, cost 2 less. So whenever Terror attacks, each creature you control with power 4 or greater gets +1/+1 against trample until end of turn. Very nice, very nice. Now, a land is a plains and a token is a knight. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And this video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast.